Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I'm truly honored to have you here with me today as we embark on a journey of relaxation and inner peace. Whether you are new to meditation or seasoned practitioner, I invite you to find a quiet, comfortable space where you can let go of outside world and focus on serenity within. Together we will explore the practice of mindfulness and meditation. So let's begin. Practicing meditation daily can be beneficial for your overall well being. So, here are some tips to help you make it a regular habit. And now, I am going to tell you how to set a routine. So, choose a specific time each day to meditate, whether it's in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Consistency is key. Create peaceful space. Find quiet comfortable place where you are won't be disturbed. Make it soothing environment with minimal distraction. Start small. If you are new to meditation, begin with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Use guided meditation. There are many meditation apps and online resources that offer guided session. These can be helpful especially for beginners. Focus on your breath. Concentrate on your breath to anchor your awareness. Inhale and exhale slowly, paying attention to each breath. Mindfulness. Be present in the moment, acknowledge any thought or distraction without judgment, and gently return your focus to your breath. Set intentions. Before each session, set an intention or a goal for your meditation practice. So, here I have shared with you some tips. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.